So, back to this.
Let me take off the caps.
Taking off all the caps. Oh, you had to do that one because it's offset.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see. Yeah.
Should fit right. You might take off that one right there too, just in case.
How about take off all three? We can always put them in.
Yeah.
Should I? Or
Yeah.
yeah.
There's no reason not to. Yeah.
So do most high-end graphics cards have fans?
Yeah. All of them now, pretty much.
Because they get so hot?
Yeah, they get really hot.
Okay.
This is 750.
750?
760 was out of stock.
Wow.
You recommended the 760, so.
This is a 750 Ti? Yeah, it is. Okay.
Yeah.
It's a nice card.
Didn't you say to get the 240?
It's like 6 years old. Now this you just push in. Perfect. And then screw right there, and then there's one more